So hi guys, we're cleaning this outlet. Huh? Up there, let's take there. Here guys. Here or you rate your favorite? Take in the comment section. Here? Okay. It's here guys. We're cleaning. First thing to take it. Oops. Let's I forgot the isn't wrong. Let's take it now. Now let's just like this. Step head. Our phone guys is Infinix Smart 9. Infinix Smart 9. Let's take it now. This because I need here or house. So let's take it here. Now guys. Pero joke lang yan. So, hindi na tayo magmumuli. Kasi ang kalat. Pag kita niyo waray na. Ganyan to see? Niyan na. Do you know what is niyan na? Niyan na. Tagalog. Niyan na. This is na. Igiyak guys. Ito na guys. Goal ng English. Wari-wari na lang tayo. Ganda pang English pero wari-wari. The thing here. My other phone. This is lubat siya guys. Lubat, maparong. Kasi wala not in charge. Hindi na niya. So hi guys. Hindi na lubat.
Oh! Oh, atira! Tuwato!
Sisipin na. Ang time, nawawala na. Kasi baka ang tatay ko mag-chat. Now guys, punta na tayo doon. So bye guys. Bye bye.